Hello everyone, Vera Firman here, and in this video I would like to speak more about SEO, search engine optimization. Is it dead or not? That's the question. Everybody screams around that SEO is dead, but reality it's not. It's actually more than ever. All your social media, it's SEO. If somebody go to ChatGPT and search for your business, if you're not showing up in AI searches, it means you're not having any presence. So SEO now actually is more than ever. And in this video, I would like to show you how to actually be. It's very difficult to be in many platforms. It's very difficult to do SEO. As an agency, we do SEO for our clients, but there are some businesses who are not ready to invest in SEO or who would like to learn how to do it themselves. And I'm going to show you how to actually optimize your business for SEO so you will be visible in searches when somebody actually hears somewhere name of your business and go on Google and check about you, or go to ChatGPT to check about you. If you have no online presence, nobody gonna find you. So here is this cool tool where you can actually learn how to list your business in directories and how to list your business in our website just with a couple of clicks. And stay tuned and watch my video tutorial.
So let's set it up. You need to log into your PulseGrowth account, and then you need to click on the tab Reputation, and you can click here on Listings. You can just here activate listing. So we're going to have listing management. What does it mean? It means that your website going to be listed on so many directories, and it's really hard work to do. We used to do this manually, registering your website on many directories. And when you need to change something and optimize, you need to log into each directory and do that. Now you can do everything from just one platform. Also, once you generate the listings, it's going to help to also build backlinks. Backlinks is really important when you work on for your website. In simple language, when we work on search engine optimization for your website, it's really important to have the links and directories listed. And it's not entire SEO, but it's one component. It helps to bring your website on the top of Google search results. And not only that, when right now we're using ChatGPTs and Gemini, and if anybody put your name in a company and you don't have any listing, you're not going to be found. But if you list it in so many directories, you have Google reviews, you have everything, then if your customer is going to go to, let's say, ChatGPT or Gemini and search for your business, you're going to show up there, and the more the better. We also here have Google My Business Optimization tab, but on that I would explain in my next video. So let's activate the listing. We have 3 pricing options. It's very also attractive. If you would go to any other listing directories, the price is going to cost you way more than that. So we have here either $60 a month plan, or if you would like to save a little bit and subscribe for 6 months or for the whole year, it's totally up to you. Let's start for now with a $60 plan. You click confirm, and we just click pay, and a business category in our scenario, and it's a software. Let's see if it's gonna show. Maybe in your situation, depending on what business you run, let's say you are a beauty salon or a med spa, you just put all the details in here and your address and phone number and everything, and hide my address. So you can also hide. In our scenario, we do not need to show address because our business, we don't need actually physical visitors. But if you a local business, then definitely you need to show your address. In our scenario, we're just going to hide the address, and we're gonna choose another state. Okay, let's keep Delaware. And business type. So as you could see, you could choose different business type. For example, we are software, and also we could put multiple category, maybe CRM. It doesn't search, but anyways. So, and then let's put like this. It's not listing. Anyways, that's enough probably for now. And then you click create listings. And of course, it shows the online presence. It shows that we are not listed on some of the social media channels. So it's giving you an indication that you need to connect everything. And then we have also here a setup guide and create an entity. So there's for business entities, okay? And for example, this is our business, and there is also suggestions for you. So right now, no suggestions found, but again, we are a software company, so it's different. And then you can create your own entity. This is go back. And here we have setup guide. So steps 1, you need to verify and submit your business details. We need to submit business hours. We need to connect with Google and Facebook. For us, we don't have Google, but we do have Facebook. So we're going to do that. You need to add your business keywords, and then you add social media URL. Once it's all done, then it will be all set up. So this is our profile page, and this is, as you could see, all the health issues, which is needs to be fixed, of course. And then you have business details option and additional attribution. So you can add services, brands, languages, keywords, and all of this is going to be listed in your directories. We have all the listings, and as you see, we are nowhere to be found. And as you could see, there's lots of them, and we are nowhere to be seen. So this has to be fixed, and we need to be listed in all of this. And once it will be connecting, let's try to connect to Facebook. I don't know if it's gonna help. I'm gonna do that because I'm not sure I have. Let's see. There is our page. So you could see already we are in a 46 publishers right now. It's gonna take time. Location, we don't need location, and we are already connected to Facebook, and let's connect it to Google as well. So also, as you could see, all of this is already in updating status. And as you could see, how many directories is here. And all of this works as a, we are not available on some of them just because we don't have physical location. But if you're a local business owner, then definitely you're going to show up. So it's already linked, which is good. So let's go back. I think it's all done. I just don't want to go through this again. And website URL, which is, you can write your business description, and there was any additional attribution or media, everything you can add here. So you just do everything from one platform. And as you could see, it's already updating here. Let's refresh the page. And you could see already we have 28 listings done, 24 still updating, and 3 submitted. So of course, I still have to work more on that, but it's a really cool way to optimize your entire listing just from one platform. And let's see your business grow. And when somebody searches for you, you can definitely find out